What's up guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'm gonna teach you how to play Dance Monkey by Tones and I on the ukulele. So, this is a very easy song to learn. The chords needed for the song are D minor, F major, C major, and A minor. The strumming pattern for the song is down, down, chuck. It sounds like this. So now we can play the chords together with the strumming pattern. So D minor, F major, C major, and A minor, so now we can play the strumming pattern together with the chords and the lyrics. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. Now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, whoa, oh. I've never seen anybody do that thing you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. You just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, whoa, oh. I've never seen anybody do that thing you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah, and when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, whoa, 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 whoa. Never seen anybody do that thing you do before you. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. Ooh, wow, whoa, oh, why they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, whoa. I've never seen anybody do that thing you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, whoa, 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 whoa. I've never seen anybody do that thing you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again, all again. So if you want to play this song, you can find the chords and lyrics in the description here below. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!